Good morning. It's Gail Kendig. This morning I wanted to share with you a book that I found called Counterclockwise by Ellen Langer. She's actually a psychologist and she is from Harvard. She's been around for a while and she's a pretty cool lady. And I got this from the library. But I found her, I think it was a PBS special, that MindSync, which I don't know how I got, but anyway, check it out. Look up MindSync. Also, they have a Facebook group. But this woman is pretty cool because she is really coming from a scientific, again, she's from Harvard, she's coming from a scientific point of view. She's not a motivational speaker, she's not an Anthony Robbins, she's not a Bob Proctor or a, Joel Osteen or anything like that. She's done many, many studies and, kind of like how we get stuck from what we have learned from our social environment or cultural environment. But I wanted you, get the book, get it from the library. You don't have to pay for it. But on page 19, it says, if I had never wondered about what is possible, I never would have conducted the counterclockwise study and never have witnessed the transformative power of our minds. So we hear about the power of our minds all the time. But this book is really cool because she's done studies with seniors, studies with dogs, studies with placebos. Placebos are really interesting because it's fake, right? The doctor is prescribing something that's not even real, but you are healing because your mind has said that this is a pill that's going to help you. So basically, it goes back to the mind and the power of the mind. I love this book because, again, it's coming from kind of a scientific, let's prove it different, because it doesn't always have to be the same. It's like when you do a study with a scientist, it's always like, well, most people have this issue, so here is this pill. Well, we don't want to be most people. We want to be able to use our mind and heal ourselves. So that's it for today. Go and get the book.